Hebrews 2:7, Thou madest him a little lower than the angels, thou crownedst him with glory and honor. In verse 9, it is said, Jesus who was made a little lower than the angels. It is remarkable that Jesus, as the inferior being, should have been destined to be worshipped by the angels, who were his superiors. On referring to the 8th Psalm, some verses 4-7, we find that the author of the epistle, in quoting some words, has perverted their real purport. The psalmist, in using the ejaculation, "When I behold the heavens, the works of thy fingers, and the moon and the stars which thou hast fixed," must be understood as if he had expressed himself in the following words: I am so struck with awe and wonder, that I feel the utter nothingness of human creatures, and I say to myself, what is mortal man, that thou rememberest him, and the Son of Man, that thou takest note of him. The frailty and mortality of man suggested to the psalmist the sense of a deep humility. On the other hand, man is rendered conscious of his noble state, as the possessor of an immortal spirit, which makes him almost an equal to the ministering angels on high. It is with respect to this supreme endowment that the psalmist exclaims, Thou hast made him but little less than the angels and hast crowned him with glory and honor. Blessed with intelligence, he rules the inferior creatures of the field and the forest, of the air and the sea. This psalm has, consequently, no allusion to any non-Jewish doctrine, but is a sublime amplification of the divine resolve, as contained in Genesis 1:26, We will make man in our image, according to our likeness, and they shall rule over the fish of the sea, and the birds of the heaven, and the beasts, and over the whole earth. Taking this plain view of the several portions of Scripture, the candid reader will agree with us, that the inflexible truth of our revealed writings does not allow the shade of a proof in favor of the rank given to Jesus in the mystical theology of the Christians.